Hello, my name is Gonzalo. I'm working in Apple Beta, a small Apple repair shop. We create these little brackets to replace the fault. Many of you they experience this problem with these hinges. Basically, they are plastic washers and they do break. They do break very easily, and the screen have this problem. We have a client with this iMac, so the iMac is not holding himself. It just keep falling, so it's not holding it. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to replace this one. It's not broken yet, however we are going to replace just because we're going to keep this machine for ourselves. So all of you, they know how to open this machine till this point. This is not for a DIY repair. This is for someone who really knows what to do. So basically this is my method to do it. I just line flat the machine, take the screw, come closer. You need to hold the screws because they're going to fly away otherwise. And then you just release all the tension from the screws and remove it. Go closer. So basically you just remove it, these ones. Okay. Now what we're going to do, we're going to place these ones. The easiest way to do, just place the screw in, push the spring one at a time. So go there, and then you can screw one. So don't go all the way in, otherwise it will be quite difficult to do. Take the other screw, push the spring, move that bracket down, and then put the next screw. Remember, these have tension, so be careful. So now you can screw all the way in. And that's it. That's the repair. So basically we're replacing the plastic washers for something more durable, that is a metal. This is Apple Bay. We are the only one who supply this bracket. So if you want to buy some, please get in touch. Thank you very much.